Hey MechWarrior, welcome back to Opa Plays MechWarrior 5. I am in the Idle, whatever that is, system. Idealid, whatever. And decided to do a little bit of shopping. So I got some equipment and weaponry that's supposed to be good. I'm going to take one of them at least. That's expensive. If I have any ammo for it. Yep, that'll do. Missiles. Nope, that's it for them. I'll take that, all four of them. And whatever ammo they got for that. One more of them. One of them. One of those. Alright. Streak ammo, huh? Let's hope I got some since I just bought four of them. So, sell. Streak. 6. That should do it. If that's the right stuff. Yeah. Ooh, and an Atlas DC. That's the electronic one, as you can see. Not my favorite. Good loot pass. I got a Corsair that's doing me pretty good. And already got, what, 3 Atlases in? Yeah, 3 of them. Including the Kraken. Speaking of which, nope. No hero mechs available. So I got money again, so I don't need to go bashing up the house. I wasn't really planning on doing a 400, but here we go. It means I'm free to go after the clan for some good stuff. This tells me the filthy Lucra will be coming down. If that's going to happen, I'm coming in hot and heavy. Savage. I think I forgot to fix my alpha. And that's going to be an issue. I'm going to have to fly all the way back. No, it's in repair, so how much longer? 42 days. Oh well. I'm not doing without them. As you can see, he took a hard one last time. I think I gotta do what I'm doing here and put the Corsair here. With the Alpha in slot 2, it just draws way too much aggression. Although part of that's because it hits hard. That's all there is to it. It hits hard. Speaking of which, what am I going to do with that LBX 20 I picked up? Only weighs 1 ton more than that one, I think. Let's go. Might be 2. And it will be shorter range as well, which is a bit of an issue.
This group has proved to be a nuisance for our employers. We're tasked with making sure that we find them and put them in the ground. Good hunting, everyone.
I'm not going to go down there until I get through.
Something's wrong, Commander.
Yep.
There's an unrecognized dropship closing in on your position.
Well, I recognize it. It's a filthy Lucra.
Changing attack range.
All right, Commander. I'm in place for an emergency evac. Complete the mission if you can. If not, we're ready to burn when you are.
Earn my pay.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Altering attack range.
Target destroyed.
Well earned. You got us. This time. Good job, Commander. Those mercs will think twice before trying that again.
Yeah,
Looks
except
like you
now the
don't
Ravager
evac
took.
anymore.
Pain
See
God
you
took
when the mission's
more
complete.
damage. I wish I could reorganize the lance as far as who was where. Battle mech wise, not pilot wise. If anybody knows how to do that, let me know. Because it's got all those nice little symbols up there. I have no idea what they do. Might get lucky with just this target here, but then we get no meaningful salvage possibly. Of course, the other thing to do is jump into the Corsair and is that Ravager? Yeah, Ravager. And stand back with him.
Done, sir.
Target acquired.
I think instead I'm going to have him stand back.
Firing from here.
I'm not seeing our targets at this location. Make way to the next nav point. We might have more up there.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Tango down.
Destroyed.
Well,
Consider it done.
Once you've found the targeted asset, move up to it, and we'll begin the recovery procedure.
so I had Pain God stand that fight out. A little bit less wear and tear because everybody else is in good shape.
Brilliant. Payload acquired.
Let's go see what the rest of it brings us.
Not a problem, sir.
Well, I gotta say, you bump these up to 64, it's a lot more fun to play. Or walk anywhere, anyway, move around. But the extra tonnage for engine space, not so good. Now here, VTOL. Got one back here. Yeah, it's mine. Or allied.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Well, of course it is.
Enemy destroyed.
Something went boom.
I'm showing nothing on scopes that can be identified as our targets. We'll have to move on to the next nav point.
Target identified.
Evan Jaguar.
I think I've got it.
Commander, it looks like that mech had some valuables on it.
Yeah, I'm checking
Go
it
over
out.
and pick it up. Let's see if there's anything we can use.
What a gift.
That's too dangerous to leave unattended. Better bring it aboard the ship.
Well, since he's all the way down there about the next one, we might as well go to him.
Target destroyed.
Target destroyed.
Nearly there, Commander. Approach the hidden object to pick it up. Excellent find, Commander. Beginning recovery now.
We're on your target, Commander.
Incoming missile.
Son of a bitch.
Target destroyed.
Target received. Engaging.
Here we go.
All our targets are here, Commander. Be careful and take them out quick. Got our target. Nicely done. Hostile transport ship coming in.
Yep, right on top of that loot. I would dearly like it if they killed that target. There we go.
That's the last of them, Commander.
Acquired.
That bounty is ours. Fahad will break open a case of Timbiki Dark when you get back to the ship safely.
Enemy mech down. This is Pain God. It's gone. I need a new target. Take a shot.
Walk on up to the treasure to pick it up.
I'll get them later, Rihanna. Thanks much.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Our employer wants this area cleared of all tanks.
Time to
The Evan Jaguar. Might be able to pick that up by pieces.
This is Goblin. Enemy mech destroyed.
Acquired. Target destroyed.
Okay, let's pick up some salvage. Goodies, that is.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Let's see. Yeah. Neck trap. Excuse me. It'll dry out here in Arizona, what can I say? You guys go ahead and kill that. That'll make 3, so. Might get the dip and put one together.
Fred's tagged for pickup. That's not something that should just be laying around.
Another one of those, huh? Guys, you can't kill that. Something wrong with you.
Not a problem, sir.
It's the second time I've told Pain God to disengage and he's still there. Somebody's right behind me.
Take the shot. Goblin here. Looks like I got it, sir.
Scratch that one off the list.
Well, the Atlas A did not take all that much damage this time. At least that was part of the experiment. We'll see how much he did later. I'm not going all the way back there.
Goblin here. That runs history. Consider it done.
I think it's all there. One bad arm. We'll see.
Pain God here. It's gone. I need a new target.
That's a lot of loot. And with none of it being clam, I can sell it for cash. There's a reason I almost always check out the genders first. They have a lot of goodies. These are almost always trash by the time you get them to eject or blow up. That's one of the few exceptions. Black Lantern, 55 tonner, fixed everything, no thanks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, fixed everything. ATM. I don't get it. Just to me, no. Rate of fire is 11 rounds per minute. And it's the same as a 6, except it's got longer range. Nah. Well, I just creamed everything, didn't I? Thought I got a Jenner by the legs, but just one of them. So bleed over damage sometimes is hard to calculate. Well, you can't calculate it, you just guess and squeeze. Somebody's making noise behind me. I'm gonna take one more of those. See if I can get those in use this time around. I'm gonna take one of them. This will take one of them just in case and let it go. You almost never get to take all your clan stuff. Wow. Took 1 million in damage. I suspect he lost an arm. You can't really tell because of the jumble of parts that is a Corsair. Oh, the Gauss. Biggest, most expensive, hard to replace weapon I got. Naturally. Now we get to see what else I got. Only got 1 round of ammunition, or 1 ton of ammunition for that, so that's a no-no. I'm really not going to go there. It'd be a good drop-in. This one's a UAC-10. Got it. Yeah, I think not in the head. 240, I got no idea how long that's going to hold up with a AI pilot. I'm wishing I had a case. Hope that wasn't a stupid thing to do. Doesn't really need 2 heat sinks, so that's all there is to it. It lost 3 points of damage overall, but gained in damage per second, so 70 days, 2 million seagulls. It's about time I sold him. That was a bounty hunter reward. Of course, I'm still going to be taking up 3 slots. And after all that, I came out to exactly where I was at the beginning of this episode, cash-wise. But somewhat better for... It was all 400s? Yeah, somewhat better for picking up the salvage I did. I'm going to run over to Telecine, because I think these are 360s, and I don't really want to run a 400 without my A-team. Oh, hey, I got my mana cores, what do you know? But if you actually select them, you can claim them. Well, I happen to have an assassination here. That is, nope. There, damn. How long do I have to wait? Let's do it. Yeah, get a plus, that's cool. Because I only got that many picks.
Heads up, Commander. Weather conditions in the area will restrict visibility.
Well, don't like to date my videos normally, but happy July 4th to everybody. Hope you had a good weekend. And I hope you still got 10 fingers.
Problems. We have been hired as a solution. Find them and put them down for good.
Or 8 fingers and 2 thumbs.
Once the job is done.
10 toes. All of your appendages. date myself, but when I was a
Pain
kid,
God here. Scratch him. I need a new target.
cuffed pants were the thing. And one July 4th, I had several firecrackers all at once. Part of a package. There's 4 of them, I think. There's no telling, 'cause I couldn't reassemble them. Got stuck in the cuff of my pants when I dropped them. Didn't have to wear that pair of pants anymore. Love these targets I can't target. Neither one of them.
Target destroyed.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
No longer my problem.
I'm detecting unidentified mechs in the area. Moving in to investigate.
Target acquired.
Not a lot of chances I'm going to hit something 1,500 meters out.
Goblin here. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Target acquired.
If you find the acquisition, just walk up to it in order to pick it up.
Target acquired.
I think I've got it.
Target identified, Commander. Put them down. That's close enough.
Just a second.
Ready
man.
to start pickup operation. Cargo acquired.
In Orion 2C.
Son of a bitch.
He's sparking.
We got one, Commander. Good job.
Enemy destroyed.
Target destroyed.
Pain God here. It's gone. I need a new target.
Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
Do what I can, sir.
Missile.
Nice fireworks show with the AMS, isn't it?
Target destroyed.
This is Pain God. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
Tango down.
Thought I had that thing 3 times. I should know better to try and take a sip of beverage with a Hillcrest coming up. But hey, I can always shoot with the right hand. So can they.
Goblin here. Looks like I got it, sir. Not a problem, sir.
Positive visual on the target, Commander. I've marked it on your track screen.
Incoming missile. Target acquired. Incoming missile.
How in the hell could a pilot possibly be able to think?
Tango down. Keep at it.
Pain God here. Target destroyed. Yes, sir.
Let's let them catch up. Better to do stuff in a group.
Target acquired.
Yeah, I don't think so. 2,200 meters is a bit long for even an LBX in ballistic mode. I see the Pain God is once again a little bit chipped up. Not expecting this one to be any more difficult than the others
Pain
were.
God here. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Target destroyed.
Hostile spotted. Engaging. This is Pain God. Target destroyed. Altering attack range.
That's probably it.
Incoming missile.
We found our primary target.
It is.
Let's go get him.
Incoming missile.
Nice rock. Needed that.
Time to earn my pay.
Primary target is down. Kill confirmed. We've gotten all of them, Commander. Good job. Now let's get you all home. Head to the evac point.
This last one kind of banged me up a little bit.
Target destroyed.
Why am I so far out in front with somebody right behind me?
New target lost.
Take a shot. Tango down. This is Pain God. It's gone. I need a new target. Okay, I'm on it.
Incoming missile. Target destroyed.
Alright, down it is. Let's go. Boy,
This is Pain God. Scratch him. I need a new target.
I think another little one ran up on me. I didn't see it coming. Gotta pay more attention to that. I am gonna probably have to go back and rebuild. Even the armor would just take too damn long. I need more of that. That's all there is to it. 2 torn up. Yep, ditto, 2 torn up. I do like that ER long, large, but a pair of them would have been a shoe-in. No. Can't believe I don't have one of these. Let me check my salvage stuff just to make sure I don't have one on, yep, like that one. Just needed one more to make him together, so. I think I'm just gonna take weapons. Five leftovers and automatic plan double heatsink. Looks like just ammo. Well, I could go right back to where I started, or I can come to Shasta. Nice little loop. Silver Bullet Gauss. .26 damage for 15 tons. Not too shabby. 5 per second, because the cool rate is every 5 seconds, huh? Gonna pass, cause 6 million for the extra two tiers up. $1 million a tier. Wow. Okay. Time for a bit of a rebuild. I think this is going to make the range a lot shorter. It's just something I'm going to have to take into account. The LBX range was 1,000. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I can't even put it in there anyway. Not gonna be able to do that. Gonna do him, I think, with the clan streakers instead. Get rid of that and that. Do I really only have 2 tons? Oh, 100 rounds. Okay, that's enough. Has been enough. That's it. Let's see if that'll fit. Not with ammo, huh? Fires 30 per shot. Ammo is 600 rounds. 20 shots per ton. The way I shoot SRMs, that's not enough. I know it's not an SRM, but it's the same concept. That's my shotgun in disguise. How about the streaks? That's a 2. That's a 3-tonner. How How about I go with the tier 2s? And I get another heat sink. But also, okay, I was wrong. Thought I had an LBX 10 clan tier 2, but I don't. How about that large laser? Gotta find a regular clan. They don't make a regular clan large laser, do they? They're all ER. Like this guy. Cooldown's 4.8. Cooldown is 4. 4.6. Wait, that's faster than tier 5? Okay, 4. Yeah. Well, that's about all. Can't believe I'm so far down in the single heat sinks. I'm sorry. Gotta finish my thoughts while I'm talking, huh? I knew what I was saying. Nobody else is damaged. Folks, that's at 42 minutes. That's going to be an episode for Opal Plays MechWarrior 5. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I really do appreciate the comments and the likes. And the subscriptions. I gotta admit it, like them even more. Lets me know you're going to come back for more. Till then, Opa's out.